Okay, do-it-yourself credit repair and credit repair kits. Let's talk about that. We're going to talk about some of the kits that are on the market, including my kit. I'll be rather unbiased about that. No, I won't. But anyway, so my name is Mark with Noble Notary, Notary Prosperity Academy, serial entrepreneur. We're going to talk about credit repair. This is the newest addition to the family. Sunny, say hi, Sunny. Sunny says hi. Okay, so credit repair. What is the process? Well, it's actually pretty simple. It's not as complicated as it seems, but there are federal regulating bodies that put regulations on credit reporting bureaus. The credit reporting bureaus, you've probably already heard of them. There's TransUnion, Equifax, the other one, and they report credit from credit issuing companies, banks, i.e. So those banks, periodically, while they may say you have a delinquent payment or your back payments or whatever, you have some kind of mark on your credit, if they're erroneous, even if it's just a misspelling of your name, well, they have to remove that. So one of the parts of credit repair is disputing. Again, the FCRA or the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and then the Credit Reporting Act, they again establish regulations and even fines if these reporting agencies aren't following the law. So disputing errors is one part of the process. Most credit repair kits have templates that allow you to do that. Another thing that you can do is what's called a goodwill adjustment letter. Let's just say that you're trying to catch up on stuff. You send this letter to the creditor and ask them to remove what they put on there, ask them to remove delinquent payments. So those are a couple of the processes. There's a few other things that you can do, like what we would call a hard inquiry removal. Basically, if you have your credit pulled, they have a soft pull and a hard pull. If you have a hard pull, it kind of dings your credit for a couple months. But you can send a letter in saying to remove that hard inquiry because there's no reason why it should affect your credit. So those are things that can quickly and easily boost your credit scores. Other things you can do that help dramatically are things like called credit piggybacking. So anyways, with saying that, there are kits you can get that have all the different forms, the different dispute letters, give you an explanation of some of the things to look for in a credit report as far as pulling a credit report, some of the red flags, some of the laws. And there's several places out there that have these kits or have this credit repair training that you can use to fix your own credit or to get paid to fix others as like a credit repair agent. We do all of the above. I started out with fixing my own credit, and I have fixed other people's credits, started offering credit repair services, and then actually created a credit repair course, a do-it-yourself with the templates and all the resources to make everything turnkey. But I want to show you who else is out there, so let's take a look behind the scenes. Okay, so credit repair kits and credit repair courses. Here we go. So this page on Florida Notary Services, we talk about different courses that are out there. Now there is Credit Repair Cloud, which is a CRM that you pay $179 a month. Now they do have something called the Credit Hero Challenge, which is just a course and training on credit repair, $47. Now CCA has a $60 course. I'm going to use the word course lightly because it's just a few PDFs to download. That's about it. They also, they give you credentialing as a credit counselor. Just a side note, it's kind of a gimmick. There's really no such thing as a credit repair counselor. You really just, your state may require you to get a bond as a credit repair if you're looking to offer this as a service. And of course, nothing required if you are simply doing this for your own purposes. And then there is ERA Credit Repair Services has a course also for $179. And then there is Gene Kelly's Credit Recovery Class, $497. And then there's us with our Credit Repair Agent class, which is $27. Now, here's what we include in that. We have dispute letters. We have dispute for collections. We have debt validation letters, goodwill adjustment letters, pay for delete, hard inquiry removal. We have just a number of things, validation of debt letters. I think I already said that. Even things for identity theft. So we go into this in our course, which is hosted in Kajabi. Here it is. It's very robust. Not only do we have video and didactic as well as downloadable files, we also show how we market these services as well. So this course is, it's no fluff. Right into it and show you how this all works and how you can improve your credit, improve others, the latest stuff that's available. So again, like I said, video and and as well as didactic and live links to all the credit reporting bureaus, as well as their phone numbers, as well as all of the turnkey things that you would need. There's files that you can download and read. There are forms that you can use, like I said, dispute letters, explain how FICO scores work, credit repair power of attorney forms for clients if you are going to be doing things on behalf of them, intake forms for customers. So we pretty much go through and explain the whole process. And if you read this here, you can see the comments on here that we get raving reviews on this. It's a wildly popular product that we offer for $27. It's an insanely good deal. You can fix your credit pretty easily. You can fix others. We go through it all. That is the essence of our credit repair course.